You see, the thing about life is that it's always flowing, it's always moving, it's always expanding. And you, as part of this magnificent universe, are meant to flow with it. But sometimes you get stuck. Sometimes you hold yourself back. And when you do that, you feel it. You feel the resistance. You feel the heaviness. You feel the frustration. And so today, we want to talk about 6 things you have to stop doing immediately if you want to get back into the flow, if you want to feel good again, if you want to live the life you were meant to live. 1, stop comparing yourself to others. The first thing you need to stop doing is comparing yourself to others. You see, when you compare yourself to someone else, you're not seeing the full picture. You're comparing your behind the scenes to their highlight reel. And guess what? That's not fair to you. Everyone is on their own journey. Everyone is living their own story. And your story is unique. Your journey is unique. Your path is unique. And when you compare yourself to someone else, you're not honoring that. You're not honoring your own journey. You're not honoring your own path. And so you feel out of alignment. You feel out of sync. You feel like you're not enough. But here's the truth. You are enough. You are more than enough. And you don't have to be like anyone else. You just have to be you. So stop comparing. Stop looking at what someone else is doing and start focusing on what you're doing. Start focusing on your own progress. Start focusing on your own growth. Start focusing on your own joy. And as you do that, you'll start to feel good again. You'll start to feel aligned again. You'll start to feel like yourself again. 2, stop overthinking everything. The second thing you need to stop doing is overthinking. You see, overthinking is like spinning your wheels in the mud. It's like going around and around in circles, but never actually getting anywhere. And when you overthink, you create problems that don't even exist. You replay conversations in your head. You worry about things that might never happen. You stress yourself out for no reason. And all of that energy, all of that focus, all of that attention, it's wasted. It's wasted on things that don't matter. It's wasted on things that aren't real. And so you feel stuck. You feel heavy. You feel anxious. But here's the thing. You don't have to stay there. You don't have to keep overthinking. You can choose to let it go. You can choose to take action. You can choose to move forward. And as you do that, you'll start to feel lighter. You'll start to feel freer. You'll start to feel more in control. Because the truth is, you are in control. You are the creator of your own experience. And when you stop overthinking and start taking action, you start to create the life you want. 3, stop seeking perfection. The third thing you need to stop doing is seeking perfection. You see, perfection doesn't exist. It's an illusion. It's a mirage. And when you chase it, you're chasing something that can never be caught. And so you feel frustrated, you feel exhausted, you feel like you're never good enough. But here's the truth. You are good enough. You are more than good enough. And you don't have to be perfect to be worthy. You don't have to be perfect to be loved. You don't have to be perfect to be successful. All you have to do is be you. All you have to do is do your best. All you have to do is keep moving forward. And as you do that, you'll start to feel good again. You'll start to feel proud of yourself. You'll start to feel like you're enough because you are enough and you always have been. 4, stop holding grudges. The fourth thing you need to stop doing is holding grudges. You see, holding on to anger and resentment is like carrying a heavy backpack everywhere you go. It's like dragging around a weight that you don't need to carry. And when you hold on to grudges, you're not hurting the other person. You're hurting yourself. You're keeping yourself stuck in the past. You're keeping yourself stuck in negativity. And so you feel heavy. You feel drained. You feel stuck. But here's the thing, you don't have to stay there. You don't have to keep holding on to that anger. You can choose to let it go. You can choose to forgive. You can choose to release the past. And as you do that, you'll start to feel lighter. You'll start to feel freer. You'll start to feel more at peace. Because forgiveness isn't about letting someone else off the hook. It's about setting yourself free. 5, stop saying yes to everything. The fifth thing you need to stop doing is saying yes to everything. You see, when you say yes to everything, you're saying no to yourself. You're saying no to your own needs. You're saying no to your own priorities. And when you do that, you feel overwhelmed. You feel stressed. You feel like you're being pulled in a million different directions. But here's the thing. You don't have to say yes to everything. It's okay to say no. It's okay to set boundaries. It's okay to put yourself first. And when you do that, you'll start to feel more in control. You'll start to feel more balanced. You'll start to feel more aligned with what truly matters to you. Because the truth is, you can't pour from an empty cup. You have to take care of yourself first. And when you do that, you'll have more to give to others. 6, stop waiting for the right time. The sixth thing you need to stop doing is waiting for the right time. You see, there's no such thing as the right time. There's only now. There's only this moment. And when you keep waiting for the perfect moment to start that project, pursue that dream, or make that change, you're missing out on life. You're missing out on opportunities. You're missing out on joy. But here's the thing. You don't have to wait. You can start right now. You can take the first step, even if it's small. You can make a decision, even if it's not perfect. And as you do that, you'll start to feel alive again. You'll start to feel excited again. You'll start to feel like you're moving forward. Because the truth is, life is happening right now, and you don't want to miss it. So there you have it. 6 things you have to stop doing immediately. Stop comparing yourself to others. Stop overthinking everything. Stop seeking perfection. Stop holding grudges. Stop saying yes to everything. And stop waiting for the right time. When you let go of these habits, you'll start to feel good again. You'll start to feel aligned again. You'll start to feel like yourself again. And when you feel like yourself, everything changes. You start to attract more joy, more abundance, more love. You start to live the life you were meant to live. So start today. Start now. You've got this.